what are some of the biggest mistakes you're seeing in people trying to reach out to you and pitch themselves or their deal?
There are many. Let's focus on some of them. First of all, it's people that are trying to do cold calling, cold emailing. That's not the most appropriate way how to approach the investor, because you can imagine that we get some amount of emails on a daily basis, and it's very hard to filter out those that are kind of relevant or that we should put more focus on. The second one, I think, is if you've heard about somebody that was talking bad things about you on the market, you probably wouldn't be very excited to meet this person and to invest in his company. And this is something that people should be aware of. The ecosystem that's so small as ours, we talk to each other, the investors talk to each other as well. And if you hear something like this, probably this doesn't help. From here on, just the normal things. When you go to a bank, you don't wear a sweater or a trainer. Same goes here. You don't come late to the first meeting with the investor. You don't lie about your previous experience. You don't talk badly about your employer if you were employed somewhere.
What do you want to read in an email, or what do you want to get on a call? What really snaps you out of your daily routine?
First of all, as I mentioned earlier, it matters how this email or call came to me, right? If there was a referral from one of my existing portfolio companies, investors, my social network, that helps. Same goes with calling. If somebody calls me and says, can I give your number to this guy who has a brilliant idea, that helps as well. But once we get in contact, or once the entrepreneur comes to this office here, it really helps if he can attract my attention with the first, let's say 5-6 sentences that he spits out, right? First of all, I want to see the energy that he has, the drive that he wants to build something. Secondly, I want to see him that he's confident, that he knows about the industry in which he's about to start his venture, and therefore I have more confidence that he'll do something. And he needs to be, I would say, clear and fast in his presentation, and then we can move to the Q&A, where I'm sure I'll have a lot of questions for him. But I don't like pitches where people spend the entire hour just presenting their pitch deck, because in that case, it's very hard to have the attention spent for an hour if somebody just takes you through the slides.